द चैनल दोस्तों, तो बड़ी ही इम्पॉर्टेंट ब्रेकिंग अपडेट है यहाँ पे। तो फाइनली एक्स ग्रेशिया के ऊपर एक सर्कुलर रिलीज हो चुका है। सो दिस इज़ अ वेरी ऑफिशियल सर्कुलर फ्रेंड्स। यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं एक्स ग्रेशिया फॉर द पेंशनर्स सितंबर 3 का इम्पॉर्टेंट सर्कुलर है फ्रेंड्स। सो प्लीज़ मेक श्योर टू शेयर दिस बिग अपडेट एंड चैनल को यहाँ पे सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर लेना फॉर द लेटेस्ट कॉर्नर चैनल फॉर द लेटेस्ट बैंकिंग अपडेट्स के लिए। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द ऑफिशियल सर्कुलर दैट वी हैव हियर। सितंबर 3, 2024 एक्स ग्रेशिया फॉर द पेंशनर्स। सो क्या है यहाँ पे अपडेट आई है। इसके बाद एक और अपडेट है, ऑफिशियल सर्कुलर है आईबीए का, उसको भी हम देखने की कोशिश फ्रेंड्स करेंगे। फर्स्ट, it has been signed in the 12th BPS that are one-time measure applicable for the current BPS period commencing from November 22 to October 27. Monthly ex gratia shall be paid in addition to pension, family pension by the public sector banks including SBI to pensioners and family pensioners who became eligible to draw pension on or before 31st October 22, including those who retired on 31st October 22. So the said ex gratia amount shall not attract any other allowance including dearness allowance, dearness relief. Right friends, the ex gratia is to be paid as per the following matrices on the factor given here under for the different settlement periods. So such fixed monthly ex gratia shall be payable for the month of November 22 onwards during the period 1st November 22 to 31st October 2027. So retired during the period, so you can see here 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th and 11th. So यहाँ पे जो फैक्टर है वो आप देख सकते हैं 0.17, 0.15 एंड सो एन। जो अभी लेटेस्ट 11th बीपीएस के रिटायरी हैं उनका है 0.02. So ex gratia amount payable shall be the basic pension attracting DA/DR plus DA/DR paid for October 2022 multiplied by the factor as provided in the above table after round up and down. So to round up down to the nearest 100. So basic pension would mean the full basic pension as on 31st October 2022. So for part-time employees, the ex gratia shall be based on basic pension drawn by them and DA/DR applicable on the basic pension. So in the recently concluded base settlement, the payment of ex gratia was agreed for the PSBs including SBI only. However, other member banks, if they decide so, may consider at their end. After that, you can see same circular, all private sector bank and foreign banks which are signatory to the settlement. So extending an option of pension to resignees who were otherwise eligible to join the pension scheme under the BEPR 1995. सो ये सितंबर 3 का सर्कुलर दोस्तों। सो यहाँ पे भी DFS की जो नोटिफिकेशन हुई है 16 मार्च 2024 की, उसमें उन्होंने नो ऑब्जेक्शन टू PSBs फॉर एक्सटेंडिंग एन ऑप्शन ऑफ पेंशन to resignees who were otherwise eligible to join the pension scheme. So these two are the very important big circulars, we'll say. So kindly share the update, subscribe to the channel friends. That's all. Thank you for watching the video. You can support us by clicking the subscribe button as well as join button. Bye bye.